Hello, thank you so much for visiting my site. I'm Yashima White, AziLove, Brandologist, owner and manager of Magnate Marketing and Consulting, where we build powerful businesses one brand at a time. And we do so for two audiences, for corporations as well as for solo service professionals and small business owners. Now, on the corporate side, note that I've spent nearly 20 years of my life climbing up the corporate ladder to executive level marketing communication roles. So I can relate to my HR and Marcom professionals out there who might be finding themselves a little frustrated, really trying to get internal stakeholders to understand the significance of having a uniformed and consistent brand communications platform throughout your organization. Sometimes we're so externally driven and motivated, and that is certainly important. But what I also know is that when a brand resonates and is authentic internally, what comes out into the marketplace will naturally be an extension of who you are. The challenge is that's not the case in so many of our organizations. And so brand communications ultimately impacts culture and employee engagement, employee morale. And at the end of the day, you and I both know it impacts revenue. And so I have a free kit for you that really will begin to get into some of the brand mistakes that leaders make, as well as them being an audio download that speaks to some strategic things you can do that makes brand communications more effective in your organization. And I am super convinced that if you apply them, that you will find an immediate impact in your organization as a result of implementing it. And for my solo service professionals on the other side, there's a free kit for you too. It's called Tycoon Academy. And I know how you must be struggling with trying to find your passion and profit balance. I know what it means to really want to position yourself powerfully in the marketplace, but really struggle through how do you position that? How do you package your service that it is attracting the kind of high value clients that need and want your service and respects it enough to want to pay at the right value for it. And so I want to help you through that transition on today so that you don't divorce your business, which is one of the reports in the kit, and that you raise your brand IQ, which is another report in the kit. There's also an audio download there called The 10 Common Mistakes that Small Business Owners Make and they establish their brand. So for both my corporate friends and my small business friends, scroll down to the bottom of this page, input your name and your email address, and I will be sure to get your free kit out to you as soon as possible. I'm Yashima White, AziLove, Brandologist, owner and manager of Magnate Marketing and Consulting, and I am believing in the magnate in you. Enter into the site at the bottom of the page after you input your name and your email address to find out more information on how Magnate might be of service to you, your corporation, or your small business.